Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different store, let to find the deals, sales, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping and all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my hauls and my videos. But yeah, so today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I cannot believe what I found for $1.25. Like, I'm shook beyond belief. So grab a snack, grab a drink, one little sip of water, and subscribe, and let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. And everything I show you is always $1.25. So first thing I got is another one of these ceramic purses. I love these for DIYs, and one of them holds my makeup brush holders, and it's so cute. So I got this blue one. Then I got one of these garden flags that just says welcome with butterflies and a wreath on it. So cute for summer. And Dollar Tree has the flag holders too, so get one of those. Then I did find a Heinz tomato ketchup pen. This is so iconic, so I had to get her, so we got her. Then I did get another pack of these Bow Scrunchies for a gift bag. Same with the ice packs, the Build Your Own ice packs. I still can't believe these are $1.25. So, and then these Hanes ankle socks, which are different colors and more bows. So, got that. But this is new, and I cannot believe it. So, root to end. Honestly priced, honestly good. Replenishing hair mask. Restore and replenish hair to reveal rejuvenated, refreshed strands. So yeah, root to end hair mask, $1.25. So squeeze a small amount into hands, apply to damp hair, comb through, let sit, and rinse out. So $1.25 for that. Then we have the purple hair mask. So makes your hair smooth and silky. So yeah, we got the purple hair mask and then the rejuvenating hair mask. Then I've been on the hunt for these freaking clips forever, and I finally found them at one of the stores. So I got more of these no dent hair clips. Then we got another one of these Christy S color depositing conditioners, but this is in lavender smoke. So we got all the other colors, but we finally got the lavender smoke one, which I'm so stoked to try this, so I cannot wait. So we got her. Then they're making a comeback, the glass nail files. This one is in that shade. So these are amazing. So if you guys see them, snag them. Then I did find the Oliver Mineral Body Deodorant again, and this just in the unscented. I cannot believe how good this stuff is. So got another one of these for my beach bag. Then I did restock on my color changing lip balm. Then my aunt found more of the Pioneer Woman hair ties. These are actually so good and such good quality. So got more of those. Then we did get a new Be Pure lipstick shade. So this is Be Pure Berry Kiss Hydrating Lip Gloss. I'm obsessed with this color. So we got this new shade in that. Then we do have a new serum. SkinAid Medics Vitamin C and Ferulic Acid Brightening Facial Serum. Glow and Soothe. So super nice, and this is a big bottle. Then I cannot believe I found these. Look at this. 3-pack makeup blenders. Pick of the patch, and they're in shapes of strawberries. This is what they look like. They're so freaking cute, and they're definitely bouncy too, which is nice. So yeah, and you get 3 for $1.25. So such a good find. Okay, then we got some new body care. So we got by Spa Luxury, we got some new lotions. This is Tropical Coconut Scent Ultimate Moisture packaging is definitely giving Bath and Body. Let's smell it. Oh yeah, this one smells so freaking good. So we have tropical coconut. Then we have pineapple sunset. Let's see. This one's okay. Pineapple sunset. And then cabana kiwi. Let's smell it. Okay. But the best one is the coconut. So those are new body. Then we got these. They are anti-aging collection makeup cleansing wipes retinol. Helps the appearance of skin's texture for overall smoothness. And you get 60 wipes for $1.25. Like, this is heavy duty packaging. So, and this is Global Beauty Care. So we have those. Then we have from Intensive Eye, we got a 3-pack of makeup cleansing wipes. So we have cucumber, aloe vera, and coconut. So you get 3 for $1.25. So this is an ultimate steal. So definitely put that on your list. Outfit change, new day, but we're finishing out this video because I found my other bag. So we have some new cosmetics bags. So this one says Glam, and look how pretty the color is. Glam Face. For $1.25, it's like skin and hair. So there's 4 new cosmetics bags. I got one of each, obviously. Perfect for literally travel, basics. So got those. Then we got some animal pens. Like, how cute, and they're erasable. So yeah, this one is a pig. I'm guessing a koala bear and I don't know. But look how cute these are. And they're erasable, which is even better. And then we have this set, which is a black cat, gray cat, it looks like, and a bear. So these are the 2 sets that we get of erasable pens. And you get 3 for $1.25, which is a steal. Then, we're not done with pens. And I lost one of these. Don't know where it went. But we have these squishy pens. I'm going to take them out of the packaging. Okay, so these are the new squishy pens. So we have these smiley faces. We have these globes, like Earth. These are so fun. And then these stars. And they're a nice little pen, too. These are literally so fun. So we have new squishy pens. Then there's literally one Hot Wheels hand sanitizer, like on the random end cap, so I snagged it because I love putting these in gift bags. Then we got this book, All the Wrong Places, New York Selling Best Times author. So interesting on that. Got her. Then we got this Art of the Edge Dungeon Dragons full color poster and coloring book for $1.25. I was like, yes. And this is like everything that comes in there. So I love to color, so this is going to be so fun. So we got her. Then these right now, these storage cubes are not $3. They're on sale for $1.25 at my local store. So I snagged one of these because you can't beat that. Then we have the Brookstone nail clippers. These are amazing. I remember they came out like a couple years ago. So Brookstone is expensive, so great deal for $1.25. Then the last thing we got is this box of 7 face masks. So I'm going to unbox this and we're going to see what we get. But for $1.25 for 7. Okay, so the first one we get is Embrace Your Face Glitter Peel Off Face Mask in Rose. And these are all 1 ounce. So we have Glitter Peel Off in Rose. Then we have the clay face mask in aloe, and this is a cooling mask. Then this is a brightening glitter peel off vitamin C. Then firming peel off face mask, 24 karat gold or 24 carats. So that one. I think they're all, no. Then this is a clay face mask, coconut moisturizing. Then this is a clay face mask, lavender calming. Then our last one is a peel off face mask, cucumber soothing. So for 7 face masks for $1.25 is a phenomenal steal. So if you guys see it, snag it. But yeah, so that completes this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on for, I should be on for, and definitely subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.